Mayeni and Macele, when they are fighting each other or misunderstanding each other, Musamseleku can find a way to fix their relationship because he knows that the two of them are very important to him. Last time on season 8, Mayeni and Macele, they have got a misunderstanding because of the wife number 5. Mayeni was asking who is the wife number 5. So Macele says, don't ask in front of me. So they have got a misunderstanding and Musamseleku regret it. Why? He told Mayeni in front of the cameras because Mayeni, she dumped Musamseleku and go to her parents' house. That's why Macele want to have a discussion about the wife number 5. Musamseleku told Macele that we have to tell Mayeni first. You understand? Musamseleku can fix their relationship, the two of them behind the cameras. That's why you saw Mayeni and Macele, they are together at restaurant. They are busy laughing, have got a good conversation because Musamseleku can come on cameras, they misunderstanding each other, but he can try to find a way behind the cameras to be together. He doesn't want to lose the two of them because are very important to him. Even Mangwabe and Makumalo, they know that when it comes to Mayeni and Macele, Musamseleku doesn't play a joke. Guys, you remember Mayeni and Macele, they have got first wedding with Musamseleku before Makumalo and Mangwabe, and they have got another wedding. Makumalo and Mangwabe, they don't have any wedding with the Musamseleku. It means that the two of them are very important to him. That's why he gives Mayeni and Macele more attention more than other wives. Yes, Mangwabe, he can give her attention, but Makumalo, she doesn't mean anything to Musamseleku now because Makwela is there. So sometimes it means about positions. You can say, I want to get married to a polygamist, but you don't know that who is going to be important in his life, because a man can't love you in equally. A man can't love, or it's 4 women or 5 women equally. It can't happen. Maybe the first wife is about 100%, the second wife 80%, the third wife 40%. Understand? The percentage of Mangwabe and Makumalo are not equal. Yes, Makumalo came before Mangwabe, but Musamseleku loves Mangwabe more than Makumalo. Musamseleku loves Mayeni more than Mangwabe. You understand? Their percentage are not equal. The way he is treating them, because people, we are learning more. If you want to get married with a polygamist, you have to take a risk. So sometimes, guys, the things are different. Maybe you can be the last wife because it's lucky, because maybe you can being married in polygamy, on polygamy as the last wife. Yes, a man can be much more in love with a last wife, or much more in love with a first wife. You understand? So it's different. So you have to do it with your own risk. Like Makumalo, guys, Makumalo, she is the last, because you can say maybe Musamseleku loves Macele 80%, Mayeni 100%. Mayeni is 100%. You understand? Macele 80%. To Mangwabe maybe 60%. Makwela is about 40%. Makumalo 10%. You understand? Musamseleku loves Makwela more than Makumalo. So we don't want to lie. His heart is not on Makumalo. That's why you saw when it comes to Mayeni and Macele, he can do something to try to fix their relationship behind the cameras. But when it comes to Makumalo and Mayeni, maybe they are fighting. Musamseleku can take Mayeni's side more than Makumalo. Last time, Mayeni, Macele, and Makumalo, they call Musamseleku, they want to fix something about Makumalo. Musamseleku leave Mayeni and Macele, they are insulting Makumalo in front of him, and he leave Makumalo there. He didn't protect her. Imagine, guys, you say it's your husband, because when you are married in polygamy, guys, you are expecting that your husband is going to protect you over other wives. But when your husband doesn't protect you, what it means, guys, you are a single person.